If you love real project cars, not showroom queens, but the kind that need work, come with stories, and might become something amazing, this list is for you. Today, we're checking out classic muscle, big body cruisers, and some really unique builds, all priced under $5,000. Let's dive in. 1. 1977 Chevrolet Camaro RS, $4,500. Here's a 1977 Camaro RS that fits perfectly into that not a show car, but definitely still worth saving category. It runs, it drives, and visually it has that classic late 70s muscle look with the red exterior and matching red interior. It's not pretending to be perfect. The seller is honest. It's a driver, not a polished museum piece. There are no big warnings like severe damage or title issues, which is a good start. But this is still a project car, meaning there will always be details to sort out, things to refresh, and little surprises along the way. Still, as far as affordable Camaros go, this feels like a realistic entry point into classic muscle without instantly breaking the bank. 2. 1967 Volkswagen Beetle, $4,500. Next up is a 1967 VW Beetle that's been sitting in a barn since 2016, and it still runs and drives. That alone already makes it interesting. It's not a neglected shell, it's a functioning classic that simply needs attention. The seller mentions minor floor pan patchwork, brake adjustments, and some cosmetic love like paint and rear shocks. The emergency brake needs help too. But the motor runs smoothly, the transmission shifts well, and the interior is still in great shape, which is rare on older Beetles. This feels like one of those honest classics where the work is more about refinement than resurrection. Not flawless, not finished, but definitely alive. 3. 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza Convertible, $3,900. Now here's something that instantly feels special, a 1965 Corvair Monza Convertible. This one is powered by the 110 horsepower setup and paired with a 4-speed, which already makes it more engaging than a lot of automatics from the same era. The seller has already done some of the important work. New battery, new master cylinder, new brake lines and hoses, plus the gas tank has been removed, cleaned, and fitted with a new sending unit. That means a lot of the boring but necessary stuff has already been handled. It's still a project, of course. It's an older car that will need ongoing love, attention, and patience. But as far as affordable convertible classics go, this one definitely feels like something worth bringing back to life. 4. 1967 Buick GS400, $4,500. Here's a legit muscle project, a 1967 Buick GS400. This is one of those cars that may not look intimidating at first glance, but the specs tell a different story. Factory 400 engine, turbo 400 transmission, and a 10-bolt posi rear end. All the right ingredients for real old-school American power. It does come with a salvage title, and the seller admits it's a project that isn't complete yet. But most of the important parts are there, including original chrome and emblems. The exhaust is new, and the engine is described as quiet, which is a very encouraging sign. This isn't a quick clean-up and cruise car, it's a commitment project. But it's one of those builds that when finished actually means something. 5. 1971 Ford LTD, $3,500. Next up, we have a 1971 Ford LTD, one of those big American classics that feels solid and impressive even in project form. It's described as having a very solid metal body, which is a big plus since rust can destroy a car like this. Mechanically, it doesn't run yet, but the seller says it will if a carburetor is installed. So this isn't a mysterious mechanical disaster, but rather a simple restoration project. It needs attention, time, and has clearly been sitting idle for a while, but the foundations appear solid. For someone who loves big American cruisers from the 70s, this is the perfect car to save rather than throw away. 6. 1976 Chevrolet Corvette, $3,500. Now we move into one of the most eye-catching cars on the list, a C3 Corvette project. This one isn't running, but it does turn over, so it's not completely dead. It's more like a car that's waiting for someone to actually commit to bringing it back. Physically, it looks like a decent starting point for a restoration. It's not a pristine survivor, and it's not a hopeless wreck. It sits somewhere in the middle, in that it needs work, but it's still worth something category. The seller admits they simply don't have time for it anymore, which is how a lot of project cars end up here. If someone takes this on, it's going to be a real project, not a weekend cleanup. But a classic Corvette at this price is always interesting. Seven, 1974 Buick Riviera, $5,000. Here's something big, bold, and full of presence. A 1974 Buick Riviera with a 455 under the hood and a 750 Edelbrock carb. This is one of those cars where the sheer size and attitude already make it special. The seller says you can buy it and drive it home, although it could use a new set of tires and some attention on the driver's side window motor. So it's in that drivable but still needs love zone. It's not pristine and it definitely isn't finished, but it's not a dead project either. If you like big 70s American land yachts, this one definitely has that classic personality and presence that's hard to ignore. Eight, 1949 Plymouth, hot rod style project, $3,750. This next one is a little different. A 1949 Plymouth that's already been heavily modified toward a hot rod direction. It's running a 350 engine with a power glide transmission, Camaro front clip, Camaro rear end, and aftermarket wheels. So mechanically, it's much more modern than it looks on the outside. It runs and lot drives, and the seller even drove it a couple miles, though slowly because it needs a proper front end alignment. The floors have been patched and the body is described as decent, not perfect, but workable. This isn't a restoration to stock type of project. It's more of a creative build that someone started and the next owner finishes in their own style. The hard part is mostly done. Now it's about dialing it in and making it road ready. Nine, 1953 Buick Roadmaster, $5,000. Here we have a 1953 Buick Roadmaster, but it's far from original. The body is sitting on a 1988 Cadillac frame with Cadillac running gear, powered by a 307. So this is more of a custom project rather than a traditional classic restoration. It isn't finished and it needs timing work, so it's not ready to just hit the road. But visually, it still has that classic Buick shape and presence, now paired with a more modern foundation underneath. This is the kind of car that requires vision. It's not plug and play. It's not for someone who wants something simple, but for the right person, it could become a really unique build. Ten, 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass Salon, $3,400. And finally, we close out the final section with a 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass Salon. This car is described as being very clean and rust-free, which is a big deal for a classic car from the late 70s. The interior and exterior remain in the factory blue theme, and it still has the 260 V8 engine. This car runs but needs a carburetor overhaul, so it's not ready for the road. This is one of those cars that has looked pretty well maintained over the years, just aging and needing a mechanical refresh rather than a major restoration. It's not the flashiest car on this list, but as a clean and honest project platform, it certainly makes sense. So that's our light up for today. Some of these cars need a little work, some need a lot, but every one of them has potential. Let me know which one you take home and what you do with it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.